Welcome back to the Cape Coral Fort Myers in Southwest Florida online tour. Today we're coming from North Fort Myers in this beautiful community called Waterside. And I have this beautiful listing from our office here to show you. Okay, as you can see, it has a nice tile roof. I think it's from 2017. This home has a humongous backyard. Okay, I'm gonna go around first so I could show you. It's in a corner, so I could show you around the home, and then we'll move in and look at inside. Okay, you have your double car garage. You have a double door entrance. Let's move over here so I can show you the side. The really nice thing about this neighborhood is the sidewalks. Everything's nice, quiet. Check out the side of the home here. You have a Carrier AC. And check out the backyard with the fence yard. Okay, you have a side door open that goes into the garage. That's nice to have, so that way you can take out the trash to the side. Okay, let's go ahead and take a look inside the home now. Okay, this home has 3 bedrooms, 2 baths. It has some updates have been done to it, so I'll show them to you as I walk through them. Check out this window. Isn't that nice? When do you see it from the inside? Okay, as I said before, you're walking with this double door. Okay, it's an open complex here. So you can see you have a beautiful living room, and check out the window. Isn't that nice? Okay, very spacious in here. Let me move around. The floor, as you can see, is all throughout. It's in the whole house. Nice plank floors, tile. Okay, and as you can see from this angle, check out the window. The kitchen has granite countertop and stainless steel appliances. Here's where your dining room will go. And over here is your kitchen. Let's take a closer look. Dishwasher, stainless steel sink with a window to the backyard. I love that. Okay, over here you got your stainless steel refrigerator and your kind of little island counter here. So that's nice to have. Let me now take you over to the bedrooms. Let's call this bedroom number 1. The nice thing about these older homes is they have a kind of really nice sized rooms, and they have a lot of windows, so it's very bright. Over here is your closet. Let's go over here to bedroom number 2. Here you got a towel closet here. And here's your guest bathroom. Over here, as you can see, they have replaced the toilet. And the bathroom, it's in original stage, but it's in very good condition. We're gonna go outside in the lanai area in the backyard in just a second. Let me just first show you the master bedroom. And through that door, it's your garage. It's full of stuff, so I don't want to go in there and scare you. It's really full of a lot of stuff inside, so you can barely see anything. So let me show you here the master bedroom. I mean, if you're looking for a first-time home, you know, you're moving down here for your first-time home buyer, this could be a nice starter home. Also, if you're an investor and you would like to rent this home out, it'll be also good. And check out this bathroom here. You have a nice closet here. As you can see, they did upgrade the vanity and the toilet and the lights. And back here is your shower. And like I said before, it's in very good condition. Tell me what you think about this home. Go on if you're watching on TV, you could go with your phone and scan the barcode on the screen, and that will give you the price. And tell me what you think about the price. I'd like to hear from you. Okay, and also if you're on your computer or your phone, you could go in the description below. Okay, now we're gonna go outside and check out the lanai. Check this out. It has a nice aluminum roof that's insulated, so it keeps the heat away. And it's a very big lanai here. As you can see, they have a TV mounted on the wall. So I guess a lot of people spend a lot of time out here. There's a pretty nice breeze going around here. So let me go outside to your yard. Very nice yard. Let me go over to the corner so you can visualize the size of this nice yard. And as you can see, the homes around the neighborhood are really nice. And nice sidewalk, and this is a no outlet street, I think. So there's no a lot of traffic going through it. Just the local residents that live here. So if you have kids, that's very nice, so they can play outside. Check out the size of this yard. And as you can see, the roof is in very good condition. And the lanai, it's very nice size. Well, I hope you like this video for this home. I'm trying to put a little bit of everything. You know, a lot of you guys are talking that I put too much high-end homes, but I'm trying to give you a little bit of everything. So hope you like this video. If you would like to see more homes like this, please let us know. Tell us what you guys want to see. If it's golf access, it's a pool homes, new homes. Tell us what you want and we'll try to get it for you, okay? I will try to do a video on it. So I hope you enjoyed this video and I'll see you on the next one.